Hey guys, this is another ClickFix video. I'm Laura and I'm going to show you how to use a multi-step shortcode, which is very useful because it allows you to save your user's email or any other data that you need without them actually having to complete a purchase or to complete a multi-step form. So before you use any of our shortcodes, you need to make sure that you have everything set up so everything works smoothly. So I'm here in the ClickFix website, app.clickfix.io, and once you log into your account, you are going to go to Start Here. So the first step is to go to the Start Here page, and the first thing to do is to add your domain. So if you click here, you will be able to add your domain. Remember that if you have a free ClickFix account, you can only add one domain. So once you have that set up, you can go back to the Start Here page. And the next step is to install the Chrome plugin. So if you click here, it will take you to the Chrome store where you can download the plugin and it will be added to your Chrome browser. So the next step is to copy the script that you have to add to the header code in all of your Entreport pages where you want to use one of our shortcodes. So this goes above any of the shortcodes that you use. So you just come to your Entreport page and you click on custom code, and it's gonna take you to the header code where you paste your script, and then you can start working on your shortcodes. And those are the 3 steps that you need to follow in order to use our shortcodes. Also in this page you can find the documentation page where you can find all of our shortcodes and the written instructions for all of them. So here are all the shortcodes, and you can scroll down to the shortcode that you want to check out. And also if you have any other questions or you need more help, you can click on the support button and you will get a ticket to solve any of your doubts. And with that being said, we can move on to the tutorial. So I created here in the Entreport page builder 2 blocks. So the first block only has an email field and the second block has credit card information, just as if they were going to make a purchase. So I'm going to show you how I'm using my code. So the first step is that I'm hiding the second block with this ID. So if you want to figure out your block IDs, you can use the ClickFix Chrome extension. So if you have it installed and you go to your publish page, then you can highlight the block IDs to check for that ID. So yeah, I hit that block and then I added the multi-step shortcode. So what this code does is that it stops Entreport's automatic redirection when a user submits a form in a certain block, which is this block. And then it triggers a link that you have to create to do an action. So here's my action. So if anchor step 2, which is this one, then it's going to hide the first block and it's going to show the second block. And we use the redirect shortcode to also take us to that second block. And the last part of my shortcode is that I added the sync fields email so that Entreport saves the user's email, which is the field that I'm interested in, without them actually having to finish the purchase. For this, I added the email as a hidden field on the second block. So if you go to form settings and you scroll to the bottom, you can add your hidden fields, in this case email and usage. So it is pretty simple. If we refresh the page and we type an email like this and we submit, it's going to take us to the next block, and at the same time it's going to save that contact's information so that you can keep the contact email. So here I have a more complex example. This is one of our templates from the ClickFix library, and we created 2 blocks, so it's just one multi-step form but with 2 steps. So first is the shipping step and then the upgrade step. So in the first step, the user types their name, their last name, their email, and the shipping address, and when they click on submit, it's going to take them to the second step, which is to add the credit card number and to actually make the purchase. But a lot of users don't end up making the purchase, but at least you can save their emails when you use the multi-step share code. So I hope that you use this share code in your Entrepreneur pages, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.